I forgot to record, so that I will start it again. Service robots. Service robots are used for different applications such as extreme environments in space, underwater. In medical robotics, it is used for assistive purposes, then rehabilitative, then for surgical operations. Also, robots are used for home cleaning, agriculture, lawn mowing. Lawn mowing, food industry, mine exploration, demining. Then civil and naval construction, automatic refueling, museum guide, firefighting, inspection and surveillance, emergency rescue, entertainment, humanoids. Whether now voice is clearly audible? Rohit? Hello? Rohit? Hello? Anyone can confirm?
Yes, sir.
Voice is audible now correctly? Or
Yes,
echoing
sir.
is there?
No, sir.
No
It is
echo.
audible. No echo.
Okay. Inspection and surveillance, emergency rescue, entertainment, humanoids. Now, these are the different service robots available in the market. This is the first automatic guided vehicle which is used in logistics in factory floor for transportation of materials or stacking of materials in the rack. Then this is another service robot, elderly and healthcare, Eugene Gokart. This is the name of the robot. Then exoskeleton for walking, Cyberdyne HAL. This is the exoskeleton means what? The skeleton which is available externally in the human, that is nothing but arms, legs, ears. These are exoskeleton. Therefore, this is the leg has been fitted, robotic leg has been fitted to the human. Then this is the automated feeding. See that these cattle are there. This is the one robot which is feeding food to these cattle. Then vacuum cleaner in our home, vacuum cleaner is there. It is human operated, but this is the robot which can clean the floor in the office or at home. Then this is educational mobile robot. Now space robotics, you are knowing that service robots are used for space exploration also. In 1997, NASA has first sent the robot to explore Mars mission. Mars means Mangalyaan. This is the upper panel is there, that is solar panel is there, because of which solar energy can be used to drive this robot. This is battery operated robot, and since wheels are there, therefore this is known as wheeled robot. Now this is known as Rotex robot arm, which is used in Columbia Space Shuttle in 1993. Or knowing in Columbia Space Shuttle, our Indian woman was there. That name is nothing but Kalpana Chawla. She has died because of that space shuttle accident. Now space robotics. See that robots are used for assembly tasks and catching floating objects with Rotex. That is nothing but in space robotics. Then again here space robots are there. You just see here robotic arm, SSRMS Candarm in operation on the space shuttle with outstretch of about 17 meters. See that this is the robotic arm which is operational in the space shuttle. This is the space shuttle. Then these are the service manipulators. Service manipulator SPDM Dextry on the International Space Station mounted on a supporting rail and used to refuel satellites. Therefore, these small robots are there which are mounted on a rail and they are used to refuel the satellites. Now robots in International Space Station. See that this is the Canard arm. See that this name of the arm. This is the robot arm. Canard arm delivering Destiny Lab from Space Shuttle Endeavour to International Space Station. Then this service manipulator and robonaut on the ISS, that is International Space Station. See that robots. Therefore, these service robots are also used in the space exploration. Now, underwater robotics, typically actuated by thrusters, directional forces on the tail. Therefore, in case of underwater robotics, they are actuated by the thrusters, and these are the directional forces which are acting on the tail. Cannot translate sideways. These robots cannot roll. That is, they cannot turn sideways. Maneuvers are necessary for them. The different maneuvers. Maneuver means what? To move forward or to move backward. Then this another underwater robotics is there. Omnidirectional University of Hawaii. That university has manufactured this robot. Then this Romeo in Antarctica. CNR Automation Genova. Therefore, this robot was name of this robot was Romeo, and it is used for Antarctica exploration. Then underwater robotics again here. Ansaldo underwater arm performing a cable hooking task. See that this underwater robotic arm is there and it is used for cable hooking. This is the hook. We'll see whether this video is. Again, UBC Gavia underwater robot. See that this is the underwater robot. This is the arm. University of British Columbia. That university has manufactured this robot arm. Now underwater robot is again here. This is one type of robot. It is having this legs, curved legs are there so that it can crawl or it can swim in the water. Aqua robot, amphibious robotic vehicle. This is known as amphibious robotic vehicle. Its size and weight was 15 to 65 into 13 centimeter and 18 kg weight was there. Locomotion through 6 independently actuated flippers. These are known as flippers, 6 flippers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maximum depth, it can reach up to 37 meter. Sensors, 2 cameras, front and back here. These 2 sensors are placed here. Front here, front side and back side. Acoustic sensor for localization. Acoustic sensor is also there. It is known as sonar, and triocular sensor, structured light. Power source, 48-volt lithium battery. This robot is battery operated and its voltage is 48 volt and this battery is of lithium battery. Now service robots are also used for outdoor exploration. See that this robot is their wheeled robot. The Llama robot at CNRS class is a French-Russian cooperation. Outdoor exploration means what? Whatever outside of our home or outside or on the ground, this robot is used for outdoor exploration. That is to study the rocks or to study the nature of the soil. This for outdoor exploration, such types of robots are used. or to capture some images outside our home or in the jungle or wherever it is in the terrain where human cannot reach. For such outdoor exploration, this robot is used. Now volcanology, you are knowing volcano. Near the volcano, because of high temperature, it is very dangerous to reach near the volcano. Therefore, robo-hulk vehicles on the surface of the Etano volcano, wheeled and tractor robots. See that this is the wheeled robot which is used near the volcano to study the soil and to study the rocks, or what is the type of volcano or what is the temperature of the volcano. To study all the things, these robots, wheeled and tractor robot is used. Now for demining. For demining purposes also, robot is used. See that this is teleoperated mobile robot on tracks used by the police for bomb disposal. See that this is the robot which is used by the police department for bomb disposal. Then PMAX lightweight anti-personal mine detector, weight 16 kg, maximum 6 kg for wheel, 270 watt DC motors, oscillating sensorized head. Therefore, this is the robot which is used for mine detector. It is having two wheels, 1, 2, and also some structure is there. Total weight is 16 kg and weight of the two wheels is 6 kg. Now for service robots are also used for medical applications. That is for medical, it is known as medical robotics. For patient aid, means for assistive applications. See that here, deambulation support system, Trinity College, Ireland. This is the robot which is used for deambulation support system. So that this man will hold this robot in hand, and when this robot will move forward, this man will also follow this robot. Then this MOVED project for the aid of disabled people in home activities. See that this is the robot which is used for the disabled persons. Disabled person means in India it is called as Divyang. For Divyang persons, this robot is used to help such Divyang persons. See that in this robot arm, this glass of water is there, so that this robot will give a glass of water to this disabled person. Then MOVED project. See that domestic activities using 8R dextran. See that this is the oven is there, and this robot is used to keep some food or something in this oven. This robot is operating this oven. Now again for medical robotics, rehabilitative purposes also robotics is used in medical industries. Rehabilitation is what you are knowing that when our arm or leg is going to cut, at that time this robotic arm or robotic leg is used in the human. That is nothing but rehabilitation. Therefore, robotic arm with shoulder and elbow having full mobility and with a gripper hand. It is used in Petersburg University. It is available in the market also. In test on monkeys with immobilized upper limbs, motion commands sent to the arm by the central nervous system, that is brain, are measured by a set of electrodes and used to command the robotic arm. Therefore, this robotic arm or robotic legs is also used for rehabilitation purpose in case of humans. You are knowing that robotic arm is used in case of human where his arm is cut or where his leg is cut. Now medical robotics rehabilitative, see that this is the commercialized by Osur, a prosthesis sensorized at the knee. See that angle and force capable of processing sensor data and of extracting a gait model of the user so as to adapt its dynamical behavior, knee motion and stiffness. See that this is the one artificial leg is there. It is used in for the human who is not having leg. This is the artificial robotic leg. This is used for rehabilitation purpose. Then see that medical robotics, rehabilitative. See that if you will see these two figures or two pictures, see that this robot arm is there. They have clamped a robot arm on this arm of the human, which is not functional. Therefore, Rupert Robotic Upper Extreme Repetitive Therapy, Adgam State University plus Kinetic Muscles Inc. sustains the human arm with pneumatic muscles. It can be programmed for the execution of cyclic exercises for rehabilitation. Therefore, this they have clamped here the robotic arm to the human arm, and it can be programmed for the execution of cyclic exercises of rehabilitation. Now, exoskeletons, already I told. Exoskeleton for human arm and human leg, it is known as exoskeleton. Then medical robotics, hospital and nursing. For hospitalization and for nursing. Nurse means what? Nurse means to take care. What is the meaning of the nurse? To take care. It is the verb also. Verb also and noun also. Therefore, Helpmate Mobile Robot USA works in hospitals as auxiliary person. See that this is the robot which is used in USA in the hospital, which is working as an auxiliary personnel in place of that receptionist. Then this user interface of the care robot nurse. Therefore, this is the care robot. This is one type of robot which can be used as nurse. Means it can tell, this robot can tell you when to take medicine, and that type of care this robot will take. This is known as care robot. Now, surgical robotics. Robots are also used during surgical operations to assist human, that is known as cobots or collaborative robots. Overview of the operating room. Then surgical robots. RoboDoc by Integrated Surgical Systems USA was used first for orthopedic surgery, that is for ankle replacement. Then steady hand force assisted system improves accuracy and repeatability of surgeons, allowing task driven compliance. Therefore, this steady hand force assisted system improves accuracy and repeatability of surgeons, allowing task driven compliance. Therefore, robots are also used in surgical operations. Now, surgical robotics here. This human is operated by robots. Figure in picture it is there. Emulation of a laser brain surgery operation and graphic rendering of a surgery intervention on the spinal cord. These robots are used for doing operation in spinal cord. Patient is first mapped offline by a series of CAT scans. Data then localized in the actual operation field. That is, first this patient is mapped. First figure indicates mapping of the patient. That is where the operation is to be carried out, and then actual human is placed, and these robots are doing these surgical operations on the human. Now, for home cleaning also robot is used. See that this is a vacuum cleaner robot. It is known as Trilobite by Electrolux. It is manufactured by Electrolux company in Sweden. Then same case, these robots are there which are used for cleaning purposes. Then cleaning robot contest. See that competition among robot vacuum cleaners in home environments. These are the different robots you are observing. They are used for cleaning the floor, and this is the competition. Here two robots are there. Here again two robots are there. The competition is there. That is which robot is faster and which robot is more accurate. Cleaning of external surfaces. See that for the aeroplane, how it is not possible for the human to clean the aeroplane externally. So that these robotic arms are used to clean the aeroplanes externally. See that Skywash cleans. That robot is known as Skywash, cleans civil airplane bodies and is the largest robot worldwide. A robot prototype for cleaning large glass windows of civil buildings. See that large glass windows are there in the USA. This robot is used to clean these large glass windows. This robot is used to clean external surfaces on aeroplane. Then lawn mowers. Lawn mowers you are knowing. To cut the grass or to cut the lawn. These lawn mowers are used. Therefore, instead of human, we can use the robot to cut that extra grass. That is known as lawn mowers. That robot is known as automower or autonomous robot, and it is manufactured by Husqvarna, Sweden. Has low power consumption and solar recharge. This is solar operated robot is there, which is used to cut the lawn or which is used to cut the extra grass. This is the robot. It is known as lawn mower. Now, robot is also used in food industry. See that Ulysses robot by IMT aligns 10,000 sausages per hour. See that this is the robot arm. It can align 10,000 sausages per hour. Then adapt one SCARA robot with 4 sausage grippers. SCARA robots are also used for the operation in case of food industry. Now automatic refueling. See that in cooperation of RIS Robotics, Mercedes, BMW and IPA Fraunhofer. See that in our smart pump systems in case of USA. See that here right hand side, smart pump. Here robot is used to refuel the car. In India, you are observing that persons or humans are there. They are standing here and they are refueling our 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler. Now, but in case of in USA, this robotic arm is there, which is used to refuel the car. Therefore, this is known as service robotics, which are used to serve service. Next is again automatic refueling. See that same conditions here. Oscar robot France for gasoline refuel of fleets of transportation buses. See that this robot is there, which is used to fill gas operated vehicles. This robot is known as Oscar robot. Again, same automatic refueling. A kit is available for all car models: tank, tap, transponder, pipe, union, auto fill system in 2 tank stations of OK and BP. Now, inspection and surveillance. Robots are also used for inspection and surveillance. Therefore, this 6 degree of freedom Puma arm mounted on the Nomad XR400, multiple steering wheels, synchro driven. It is used for inspection and surveillance purpose. 5 degree of freedom scoreboard arm mounted on a ATR VGR fixed wheels, skid steering vehicle. 2 examples of mobile manipulators. These 2 robots are there. They are used for inspection and surveillance purposes. Again, same thing is here. See that this robot is there. Here, this map is there. And this robot is fitted with some sensors here. This is the arm also. Yellow color indicates the arm. This robot is wheel operated. Hilare 2bis mobile robot with trailer. This is the trailer and a manipulator arm. This is the upper at the end. Up at the upper side, yellow color indicates manipulator arm and its localization on an indoor map. This is the indoor map. This is the localization where it is located. Sensor, different sensors, encoders on wheels and arm joints are there. Ultrasound, seek, laser, and camera on end effector gripper. This is the camera. Then laser sensors are there, ultrasound sensors are there, encoders are there on wheels and arm joints. Therefore, different sensors are fitted on this robot. For mine exploration also robots are used. See that this small robot, wheeled robot is there. Groundhog, this robot is there. It is used for mine exploration where human cannot enter inside the mine because of adverse conditions, adverse environmental conditions are there. Therefore, for mine exploration, this robot is used. A RoboCop or Robo Rescue. See that RoboCop middle sized league. See that these robots are there. They are used for playing. That these robots are playing in themselves only, and these humans are assisting only. This is known as RoboCop. They may be playing football. See that this small ball is there. Now this Orpheus robot, one robo rescue, exploration and search of victims in a disaster environment. Therefore, where disaster which is there, or suppose due to some disaster or in disaster environment, robots are also used for rescue operations. Therefore, this is the robot. Now this DARPA Grand Challenge. See that this 5 SICK lasers for mapping and localization on the 2005 winning VW Tourist Stanley. See that these 5 SICK robots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are used for mapping and localization. See that the Ghost Rider motorcycle testing in Nevada. All this is in America. See that this robot is there. It is used to test the vehicle. Competition for fully autonomous vehicles on a long mixed type track. Therefore, robot is also used for this driving of two-wheelers. Again, same thing is there. Robot spilling a glass of beer. Sorry, you can see water. See that this is a single Coca robot which is used to fill the water. 2 cooperating ABB robots. See that these 2 robots are there which are cooperating with each other. Then museum guidance. Robots are also used for in museum guidance where large museums are there. These persons or these women are there. They are asking the robot which thing is kept where. Therefore, this robot can tell these women that this thing is kept there and you can go and see there. Therefore, 3 mobile robots for museum guidance, 1, 2, 3. It is used in large museums. Now for entertainment also, this robot is used, the Anaconda robot, Age Innovations USA, weighs various tons, has 60 artificial spinal vertebrae, is 12 meters long and is actuated by hydraulic motors so as to reach a speed of up to 60 km per hour. Therefore, this is Anaconda robot. It is used for entertainment purpose. Now, human motion replication. This is humanoid robot. See that this robot already I have told you while explaining humanoid robot that Asimo robot was there. It is humanoid robot. All human motion replications were there. The anthropometric robot by Sarcos Entertainment Systems USA replicates the movements of a human wearing a sensorized exoskeleton. Again, human robot interactions here. This human is interacting with robot. They are congratulating or they are shaking hands with them. Physical and cognitive interaction level between Sacros robot and a human. Intrinsic mechanical compliance in the robot structure is here more important than accuracy in motion execution. Now human robot interaction, again same cases here. Cognitive interaction, this human is interacting with this robot. Same cases here. Physical interaction, this human is interacting with this robot. Again same cases here. Mr. Helper collaborates in carrying heavy and large loads. See that this robot is there, it is used, it is collaborating this with this human, so that both these, that is robot and human, can carry this large table. This cobot scooter like robot for mounting car doors. General Motors, see that these cobots are there, they are used for mounting the car doors. Now robot hands, already I have told, robot hands and legs. Therefore, these are the robotic hands. These are the fingers. 3 fingers with 9 degrees of freedom, tendon actuation, supporting palm, and tactile sensors on all phalanges. Therefore, this robotic fingers or robotic arm is also used for the, or robot's hands also used for the assisting of human. Now anthropometric UV hand 4. See that data glow for motion capturing. See that these are the fingers. It is looking like the fingers of the human. Now new robot hand for the eye cup. See that this is the new robot hand. See that they have manufactured this. One small kid which is playing this ball. All the fingers are there. Eyes are there. In the eyes, cameras are there, so that this vision system is there in case of robotics. Therefore, they have manufactured a 3.5-year-old child developed by IIT Genova in 2005 in the Robot Cup EU project. Therefore, this is nothing but another type of service robot. Now, integration of robot hand plus arm. The complete UV hand 2 with electrical motors and electronics presented at Expo 92 in Seville. Integration in the forearm of the Unimation Puma 560. Therefore, this robotic arm is integrated with the robot hand. See that these grippers are there. Grippers means fingers are there. Now, minimalistic solutions. 5D manipulation of objects having arbitrary form using only 2 linear actuators and sensorized contact surfaces. Here, this 5D manipulation is there. Here, one motor only for the soft hand and articulated and compact robotic hand of human size and synergy. See that this human arm is there. Same human arm with fingers. They are manufactured here. Now, biomorphic robots. Biomorphic robots by MIT Leg Lab, USA. It is known as Trudy dinosaur and flamingo bird. See that this biomorphic robot. This is of dinosaur shape. Right hand side robot, if you are saying it is of dinosaur shape. Four-legged locomotion. We have seen this. Biomimetics. All this is nothing but biomimetics. This is the dog. Robot in the shape of dog. See that these dogs, we have seen the 2 videos. That is Boston Dynamics. Their robot is known as Spot, and Cyber Dog by Yamaha Corporation, that is Xiaomi Corporation. We have seen that 2 videos in the last lecture in the biomimetics point. Then anthropomorphic upper limbs. See that anthropomorphic upper limbs are there. This is the upper limb. Therefore, this robot is known as Justin robot, has 7 + 7 + 3 degrees of freedom plus many degrees of freedom in the 2 hands. It is manufactured by DLR Germany. The robot developed by the German national projects on humanoid. See that this is a humanoid robot which is developed by German national project. Then Justin robotic system. A humanoid upper body system for 200 manipulator experiments. Then these are the humanoid robots we have seen. In case of in humanoid robot point, same case humanoid robot, the Asimo project by Honda started in 1986, and then afterwards they have manufactured this human-like robot. It is known as Asimo. Asimo in action. See that this Asimo robot is there. It is climbing the stairs. Also, it is used to interact with the human. Here, it is walking on the floor. These are all humanoid robots manufactured by Sony company. Humanoid robot in Huang in China. Huang is one state is there. Just like in India, different states are there. In China also different states are there. Then this Sony company, they have manufactured these robots, small robots, humanoid robots, this group dancing. See that all these video robots are dancing in a group, just like group dance of human. See that this humanoid robot, its height is 57 centimeter, weight is 4.5 kg. This is the kinematic description. That is foot height, tibial length, thigh length, hip offset. Means same as that of human. They are manufacturing the robot that is known as humanoid robot. Therefore, this is nothing but all the service robots which are used for servicing. Therefore, diffusion of service robots. What is diffusion? Diffusion means what? Where they are used. Main applications of service robots you will find in logistic, defense, mostly unmanned aerial vehicle. Drones are there. Drones are also one type of robots. Field robots for milking, almost 60,000. That is plus 24% service robots for professional use sold in 2016. Nearly 4 lakh new service robots for professional use to be sold in 2018 to 2020. That is estimate is plus 45% increase over the last period. Then less than 50% of professional service robots are manufactured. Greater than 50% of professional service robots are manufactured in the Americas. Therefore, this is nothing but diffusion of service robot. Diffusion means what? Up to what level these service robots are used. See that this in logistics, automatic guided vehicles / mobile robots, in manufacturing environments and outside. Number of units 189.7 into 1000. These are multiples of 1000. Remember. Then in defense, increase of the robot 46.7 thousand. In at field service 27.8 thousand. Therefore, this is nothing but a World Robotics Report in 2017. Similarly, diffusion of service robots for professional use. Service robots for professional use. All other applications. Unit sales 2015 and 2016. Forecast 2017 and 2018 to 2020. Therefore, this is nothing but service robots used for public relation. See that how that blue color indicates 2018 to 2020. Increase in the use of service robots for exoskeletons, for medical, for construction industry, cleaning, inspection, mobile platforms, underwater, rescue and security, all others. Then public relations robots also expect significant increase in turnover. But most valuable market is medical robotics. See that hereafter you will find robots used in medical industry. It is the most valuable market. That is growing market of the robot is nothing but in medical industry. Then for personal and domestic use also, for household robots, see that there are chances of growth rate of 32.4 thousand. Robots will be household robots are there. For entertainment also you will see that increase in the robot is there. That is 10.5, that is 10,500. Personal domestic robot market is huge. hard to assess figures due to large variety in products and lifetime. 6.8 million units sold in 2016, that is plus 25%, for a value of $2.6, that is plus 15%. Forecast for 2018 to 20, it is 43 million units. Now robots can be used for vacuum and floor cleaning robots, lawn mowing robots, entertainment and leisure robots for elderly / handicap assistance. Then diffusion of service robots, manufacturers by application and regions. See that this graph is there. Logistics system, you will find its most use of the robots in North America. Then Europe, red color indicates Europe, blue color indicates North America, and this another color is there, paint blue, it indicates Asia market. 75% of European service robot suppliers are SMEs, small and medium scale industries. Many startups are there which are manufacturing the robots. 2/3 of all service robot suppliers use ROS and other open source system. Key technologies, perception, human machine interaction, mechatronics, safety. Therefore, number of service robot manufacturers in Europe, it is more. If you see, red color indicates startup, blue color indicates established, which are established. In US and in Europe, there is a large robot market is there, or large robot manufacturing companies are there. Criteria for startup, product / prototype on the market, business maximum 5 years of age, 29% share of startups. Therefore, this is nothing but service robots. Please type your number in the chat box so that I will take attendance. Thank you very much.